All right, we got this 2006 F550. We're looking for a high pressure oil leak because we have an 85% duty cycle for the IPR valve, and we have 190 PSI when we should have 500. I'm looking at the standpipes really close because these love to blow out. I'm looking at the dummy plugs. It's more rare, but definitely can happen. Your high pressure oil leak could be the Hpop STC fitting or one of the O-rings on the Hpop, but more than likely it's on your, if it's a hot no start, it's probably your nipple O-rings on your oil rail, but we had a really large leak, so I'm looking at standpipes, dummy plugs, and here's what I find. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that doesn't look good. And then we go over here, and that doesn't look any better. There's a view from the side. Anyways, doesn't look good. Looks like water's been in here at some point. Got some rusting on the oil rails. But yeah, that's definitely his problem, is the dummy plug and standpipe O-rings on the driver's side. And I told him with pricing, like, because I don't air test it like a lot of shops do, I was just gonna try to get lucky and, you know, choose the right side. But of course I chose wrong. I'm not lucky. I went into this side, found no problems. Going into this side, found all the problems. So we'll seal it back up. We'll put the rails back on, and we should have it running before long.